whenever you are given this kind of question and you're asked to solve, all you have to do is you look at this. S come before t. S come before t. Since s come before t, you are going to compare it with this one. Y equals to 5. You are going to compare it with a sine bracket 2 pi x over lambda minus 2 pi ft. So because of the s come before t, so you are going to be using this formula to solve. But especially by t come before x, you will use the other one where this is here and this is here. Now at this point, a is this. The a amplitude is the 5. Now for me to get, anytime you see a number outside the bracket, use this number to use what you have outside to multiply inside. So if you multiply it, to give you 2 times it is 100 by x. So inside here now, what you now have becomes y equals to 5 sine bracket 100 by x minus this now becomes 400 by t. This is now what you are going to get when you want to use this to open this bracket. Now at this point now, you have to compare. That means since this is this one now that comes is s, that means the whole of this is equals to this, and the whole of this is equals to this. Now if the question says you should find frequency, what will you do? You take this down. Minus 2 pi ft is equals to this one minus 400 pi t. So that this pi we cancel pi, t we cancel t, minus we cancel minus. So what you have left is 2f. So divide here by 2, divide here by 2. This we cancel, this we cancel. Your f frequency now will become 200 hertz. That is, if you're asked to calculate frequency, that is what you do. Now, if you are not asked to calculate wavelength, what will you do? You take this one is equals to this. So if you say wavelength, you say 2 pi x over lambda equals to 100 pi x. So at this point, x we cancel s, pi we cancel pi. So this now we times this. So lambda times 100 becomes 2 equals to 100 lambda. Don't forget, sometimes if the pi is omitted, don't forget the pi is sitting as 3.143. So when you get this, you divide this by 100, divide this by 100. So this will cancel this. 100 over 2, your lambda is equals to 0.02 meters. That is how to get your wave length. Now if you say you should calculate your wave speed is equals to v is equals to f times lambda, which is your f now is equals to, your f is 200. That becomes 200 times 0.02. So when you multiply this, whatever you get, it give you the answer. That means the answer is 4. The answer is 4 meters per second. If you say period, your period is equals to 1 over frequency, which is 1 over 200. Take note of that. This is how you can solve this question.